Hi, my name is David Beggy and I'm Head of Sales and Marketing with Dipetane International. Dipetane is a 100% hydrocarbon non-additive fuel treatment. Up to 25% reduction in CO2, up to 35% reduction in NOx, up to 50% reduction in smoke, and up to 10% fuel savings. These are the figures Dipetane can achieve in cars, trucks, buses, boats, to name but a few. Dipetane also helps to keep your DPFs clean, protects your injectors, and reduces the wear and tear in your engines. We are now aware of the effects fossil fuels are having on our planet. Increased emissions are causing irreversible damage to our environment and our health. The motor industry is struggling to deal with its responsibilities in this regard. Car manufacturers are developing equipment to try and deal with emissions. However, they are failing to deal with the real issue, which is that fuel does not burn efficiently in standard combustion engines, resulting in poor emissions. Dipetane can solve this problem. In simple terms, Dipetane increases the air-to-fuel ratio, which allows more oxygen to burn more carbon. Dipetane will help pass emission tests required at NCT, DOE and MOT and keep your engine running cleaner and longer. It has a mix rate of 1 to 200 and treats over 40 million litres of fuel per year. Dipetane has been reducing emissions and saving fuel for over 30 years, and as other products come and go, Dipetane has gone from strength to strength. To check out Dipetane, visit www.dipetane.com.